Good morning, judges. Ivana here from Team Bounceback. We are here with our solution, Bounceback Volunteering Scheme App, and I'm about to give you a little bit of an introduction about our team, what the solution does, what problems we are solving, and before I hand over to the team to give you a quick demo of the solution. So just very briefly, we had Simon, Alex, Tricia, myself, and Dave working really hard yesterday and this morning to get this solution completed. We have full login instruction and step-by-step application navigation instructions ready to be sent to you to apply for the final badge. But just before we do that, give you a little bit of an overview of the solution and what problem we are trying to solve. During the current coronavirus pandemic, life has changed in significant ways for a lot of people, making it harder to do some of the things which previously were straightforward. The Bounceback Volunteering Scheme App has been designed to help match people within an organization who need help with those who can provide it. It allows individuals within an organization to register as volunteers so that others seeking support can easily find those who are offering assistance. The service on offer can include anything from shopping, technical expertise, picking up or sharing IT equipment, to a phone call or a Teams chat. The Bounceback app allows individuals to register to offer help, whilst our Power Virtual Agent, accessible via Teams bot, allow those in need to seek assistance. With that, I will hand over to the team to give you a quick overview and demonstration of the solution, and we look forward to your final results.
Using the Volunteer Network app, John is able to register himself as a volunteer. He's also able to take himself off a volunteer register, or he's able to see his schedule and add his availability. Registering as a volunteer only takes a few seconds. Clicking on that, you can see it's pulled through most of John's data already. It knows where he is. He's got his picture and he's got his basic contact details. And then he's going to send that off. Now he's registered as a volunteer. The next step would be to add your view schedule and add some availability. This screen again is incredibly simple to use. On the left hand side, we've got the calendar. It highlights today's date, and it will also highlight any date that has an appointment in already. To add some new availability, make it available to people via the virtual agent, all you do is click on the calendar, click on the date you're available, pick a service, and say how long you're going to do that for. Click on to add. After a few seconds, we can see here on the 12th of May, he's available from 12 to 1 for a friendly phone call.
Here we have Sue Jones, a colleague of John's who is currently self-isolating. She lives alone and is unable to leave her flat to do everyday tasks like going grocery shopping. She has been using the Volunteer app to not only get assistance for typical tasks like medication drop-offs, but also for scheduling some time to catch up with colleagues who she may not have spoken with before. Now, let's see how she does this. In Microsoft Teams, Sue is able to access the Request Help bot built with Power Virtual Agent. Now, this allows the bot to be configured quickly by admins of the system without any prior knowledge of bot development. After being welcomed by the bot, she's able to enter her name, her email address, After being verified as a valid user by the bot, she is then asked for what type of assistance she needs. And also when she needs it. Now, after checking that her contact details are correct, the bot The bot utilizes Power Automate to search through users who have registered to volunteer and has offered to help with the service during that time, and also create an appointment for the next available time within Sue's window. Sue is then notified of the appointment and knows that her colleague will be in touch to finalize any details.
So what we want to include in our app is some extra information from open source data about insights relevant to the person in their community. So for John, in his local community, he might want to see what else is happening and help him have discussion with his colleagues or see what's happening in his local area. So we're taking some open source data from Google, we're pulling that into our Power BI data model and surfacing some reports and dashboards that we can then use in the Power App. So here we've got some measures around what's happening in the United Kingdom, for what's available in the data. As you'd expect, everything about going out using transport has gone down, but actually residential and workplace, residential's gone up and workplace has gone down. So here I can click through to the report. We've got a couple of pages. It's showing me insights for the United Kingdom and trends, but I can subset by region. This will be the same as the user's context in the app, so where they've said that they can support, then surface relevant insights within the Power App.
Hi guys, thank you very much for watching our submission. We hope you're as excited about it as we are. We think we've built an amazing system that allows people within companies with some spare time to volunteer and register themselves as volunteers to help other people. We've built another system that allows people who are in need of help to request that help, and then we match it up automatically and put Sue in touch with John, and then John can use his spare time to help Sue in this special moment of need. We are very excited. We really hope you are excited too and you like our submission. Thank you very much.